So this is my little baby, my toy. I call it the Iron Man G35. It's an Autoflex paint job, liquid wrap, red base with a gold pearl over the top. Gives it this little crazy color shift. You can see on the, and it's not even in the sun, so when it's in the sun, it's sick. You know, so that's what she looked like. She dirty. I'll show you over here. I took her to work one day and the bird said, "Hell no. Take that." But anyway, she's on jack stands. So I'm about to do the exhaust as well right now. This is the exhaust. Trying to do from the cat's back. So as you can see, on one side of the cat is welded, and the other side of the cat is bolted. So most likely I'd rather weld the H-back one anyway. So we're gonna do that. Put new mufflers and everything on it. She's pretty much stock right now, but she still sounds good. I'll do a video clip of what she sounds. I got the two cats. As you can see, this one here is kind of chopped up. Look to the flange. It's just chewy. So that's coming off the cat. So it's all cracked. So it will never fit on my exhaust without leaking. But other than that, cat kind of suspect. There's a bunch of like needle bits falling out of it. So I think it's breaking down. And this is that one on that side. See, this side is welded, so they must have the same problem. But I'm not chopping up my new DNA motoring catback exhaust to weld it to this garbage. So what I did is I went and got ISR test pipes, resonator test pipes. I got the 90-degree oxygen sensor tube. So, you know, it'll not make the check engine light go off. This is where it's bolted up to over here. So you can see I gotta get to these two bolts from down here. One's on top, one's on the bottom. And then well, there's three bolts, two at the bottom, one at the top. But you see how the bolt is arranged. You got the bolt right there at the top, and the one right there at the bottom. So the one at the top over here, there's got to be access to the top of the engine bay. So we'll take off the air intake. This is the driver's side, so we'll take the air intake off and get to that. And the same thing on this side, but it's just the passenger side. So whatever, whoever it is, it's over here somewhere. If I can even see that. All right, there you go. You see that there? Same thing. So let's get to work, and I'm still waiting on my test pipe. So when they get in, then I'll put everything else together. But for right now, I'm gonna just take off the cats and probably buy some more bolts to bolt the new ones on when I get those. So all I get from under this car, cause you know your boy gotta work on the ground. I ain't got no lift. I'm in my garage. It's the backyard boogie, buddies. Let's get it. Whiplash, NYC. All the exhaust. That's what that should look like. Still good. Muffler's still good. Those hinges feel good. Wide pipe, garbage. Alright, time for the new shit.